Paolo, there's a lot of interest in SDN and network virtualization from telecoms operators at the moment. Can you tell us how Cisco is working with Telecom Italia to make SDN a reality?
Sure. Well, first of all, we look at use cases. When you want to figure out what to do with a given technology, you better look at use cases. With Telecom Italia, we've been looking at the use cases related to academia. There are use cases in the data center cloud world, carriers very interested into SDN, and of course enterprise. And so we play across the 4 industries with specific use cases. We need to think about what we deliver there, and we deliver basically in an open environment abstraction of network elements. We deliver controllers. There's been a lot of clarity here at Cisco Live about the controller strategy. I'm very glad that Telecom Italia is endorsing the Cisco controller, and then we deliver northbound APIs. The most important thing is, what do you want to do with SDN? And I think with Telecom Italia, we have proven there are 3 elements of interest. One is you simplify operations across data center, network, and enterprise. You expose monetizable application programming interfaces towards your business partners, and then you have some healthy open interfaces between hardware and software. And these are all approaches where we are using together with Telecom Italia to develop the Jolt network.
Can you give us an overview of the Joint Open Labs network?
Yes. The Joint Open Lab will be a network spanning a few cities in Italy, academic universities that are in Torino, Milano, Trento, Pisa, and Catania, that are already collaborating with Telecom Italia for other projects, will be connected in a network that will be based on SDN. SDN will enable to build a network between all these labs and the Telecom Italia lab that is in Torino as well, to test SDN in a real network with users that are academic, but that are real users.
What's the timeline of the project?
The project will be a 3-year project, but we have defined for today the first year. The first year will be the implementation of the network, and we will have the first node up and running in Q1 14, and in the next few months all the other nodes up and running. And the first experiments starting from the university that's already made project proposal that will be implemented on top of this network.
And why did you select Cisco for the project?
Well, Cisco has been selected because we were looking for a technology provider that was aware about the carrier network, not only technology for IT or technology for data center, but someone that already knows the problems we could have. So that was the first reason. Another reason is that Cisco was able to provide us something that was a real integration between the IT stuff, so server part, and the switching part where Cisco is very, very strong. And the third reason that we selected Cisco is that Cisco was able to provide a scalable solution starting from a low scale, that is what we needed at the beginning, but able to grow up for future needs.